Sometimes when I leave the house, I must admit I worry. I try to do what I must do and get back in a hurry. The thought of what a cat might do when left at home alone makes me fear what I might find when I come back home. Wasn't there a goldfish in the goldfish bowl? Wasn't Mother's knitting basket full of balls of wool? Weren't these broken ornaments once high upon that shelf? Forgive me, for I guess I'm feeling sorry for myself. Life with a naughty kitty isn't very pretty, so I sing this mournful song about when cats go wrong. The couch is ripped and torn apart, the stuffing is pulled out, the litter box is empty with the gravel strewn about. Everything's in disarray, it makes me grump and mutter. There's cat hair on the tablecloth and tongue marks on the butter. Life with a naughty kitty isn't very pretty, so I sing this mournful song about when cats go wrong. The budgie's looking traumatized, there's feathers on the floor. Lucky thing a pussycat can't fit through the cage door. There's claw marks on the lampshades and paw prints on the mirror. The missing shoelace mystery is now becoming clearer. It's just another cat toy to amuse my little pet, like the nice lace curtains that are so much fun to shred, like the ball of twine that's been unraveled from its spool, like the worn-out catnip mouse covered in cat drool. Life with a naughty kitty isn't very pretty, so I sing this mournful song about when cats go wrong. Life with a naughty kitty isn't very pretty, so I sing this mournful